Hi, my name is Alex. I have been playing drums for 1 year. Today I'm going to perform Dancing in the Moonlight. Dancing in the Moonlight because it is catchy. I want to learn how to play Smooth Criminal by Michael Jackson because it sounds cool. So I can become famous. Michael Jackson because he's rare. Teacher YY because she's kind. Because she makes my lesson fun.
We get it almost every